students, exercise 7.1 completed. Today I am going to start exercise 7.2. Before that, let me say a few formulas. Listen carefully. Now I will explain about section formula. Section formula. See here, AB is a line segment. AB is a line segment. The coordinates of A are x1, y1, and the coordinates of B are x2, y2. Okay, the coordinates of A are x1, y1. The coordinates of B are x2, y2. So let a point P x, y, which divides the line segment in the ratio m1 is to m2 internally. Let P is a point which divides the line segment AB in the ratio m1 is to m2 internally. That is AP by PB. AP by PB is equal to AP by PB, that is m1 by m2. m1 by m2. So you can read it as AP is to PB is equal to m1 is to m2. Okay, so P be a point which divides the line segment AB in the ratio m1 is to m2 internally. Now the definition of section formula is the coordinates of the point P which divides the line segment joining the points A x1, y1 and B x2, y2 internally in the ratio m1 is to m2 or see here AB is a line segment, P is a point which divides the line segment AB in the ratio m1 is to m2 internally. Then the coordinates of the point P are P of x, y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, this is the section formula. Here x1, y1 are the coordinates of the A and x2, y2 are the coordinates of the B. So the coordinates of P x, y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is the section formula. Okay, exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2, first problem. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2 is to 3. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of 2 points. Those are -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2 is to 3. Given points Given points are, first point take as A minus 1 comma 7, and second point take as B 4 comma minus 3. Find the coordinates of the point which is the point divides the AB in the ratio 2:3. So first draw a line segment AB. So point A is minus 1 comma 7 and the point B is 4 comma minus 3, minus 1 comma 7 and 4 comma minus 3. Let take a point P x comma y which divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2:3. Okay, that is the given information. Let us take a point P which divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2:3. We have to find the coordinates of the point P. We can use the section formula. Okay, now let P x comma y be a point which divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2:3 internally. Then P of x comma y, the coordinates of point P is equal to, the formula is a section formula, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, this is the section formula. So this is a coordinate of x coordinate of the point P, and this one is a y coordinate of the point P. Okay, substitute the values. So first point A is x1 y1, second point B is x2 y2, and the ratio 2:3. m1 value is 2 and m2 value is 3. Okay, substitute here. P of x comma y is equal to, what is the value of m1? The value of m1 is 2. 2 into x2. The value of x2 is 4. Next, plus m2. The value of m2 is 3. 3 into x1. x1 value minus 1 by m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3, comma. Next, m1 into y2. m1 value 2 into y2 minus 3 plus m2. The value of m2 is 3 and y1 value 7 by m1 plus m2. 2 plus 3. So that equal to 2 4s are 2 into 4 8. Plus into minus 3 1s are 3 by 2 plus 3 5, comma, plus into minus 2 3s are 6, 2 into 3. Next, plus 3 into 7, 3 7s are 21 by 2 plus 3 5. So P of x comma y is equal to 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 value 5. 5 by 5, comma, minus 6 plus 21. 21 minus 6, 15. 15 by 5. See here, 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. So that equal to 1 by 1 means 1. 3 by 1 means 3. So therefore the required point is P x comma y is equal to the coordinates of P are 1 comma 3. So 1 comma 3 is the required point, which divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2:3. Next, trisectional points. Trisectional points. Okay, the points which divide line segment into 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts are said to be trisectional points. Are said to be trisectional points. See here, trisectional points, the points which divide line segment into 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. Suppose AB is a line segment. The points P and Q divide the line segment AB into 3 equal parts. So 1, 1, 1. These 3 parts are equal. Okay. AB is a line segment. P and Q. The points P and Q divide line segment AB into 3 equal parts. Okay. Suppose A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2. So AB line segment P and Q divides the line segment into 3 equal parts. So 1, 1, 1. These 3 parts are equal. See here, P divides the point P divides AB. The point P divides the line segment AB in the ratio AB is 1 part and PB is 2 parts. 1 plus 1, 2 parts. So P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. Okay. P divides the point P divides the line segment AB in the ratio 1:2. Okay, similarly, the point Q which divides the line segment AB in the ratio, so 1 plus 1, 2 and 1, 2:1. 2 parts and 1 part. So Q divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2:1. Okay, so P divides the line segment AB in the ratio P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. Similarly, Q divides AB in the ratio Q divides AB in the ratio 2:1. Okay. Now, problem number 2 in exercise 7.2. Problem number 2. See the problem. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection. Already we know trisectional points. So see here, find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. So see here, given points are first point take as A 4, -1 and second point take as B -2, -3. What is the question? Find the coordinates of the points of trisection. So draw a line segment AB. So point A 4, -1 and B is -2, -3. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection. So take 2 points. Those are P and Q. P and Q. Okay, trisectional points means trisectional points. The points which divide a line segment into three equal parts. See here, P and Q are any two points. These 2 points divides the line segment AB into 3 equal parts. Okay. So these 3 parts are equal. So P divides AB. P divides AB in the ratio. P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. So, by using section formula, we have to find the coordinates of point P. So, P of x comma y is equal to, the section formula is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So we have to find the coordinates of the points of trisection. Coordinates of the points of trisection. We have to find the coordinates of P and Q. First we have to find coordinates of point P by using section formula. So P divides AB in the ratio 1:2 internally. Okay, that equal to here m1 m2. The value of m1 is 1 and m2 is 2. x1 x2 y1 y2. First point we have taken as x1 y1. Second point is x2 y2. Okay, substitute here m1. The value of m1 is 1 into x2. Here x2 is minus 2 plus m2. The value of m2 is 2 into x1 4 by m1 plus m2 1 plus 2 comma m1 into y2. m1 value 1 into y2. The value of y2 is minus 3 plus m2 2 into y1 minus 1 by m1 plus m2 1 plus 2, that equal to square root of plus 1 plus into minus 1 into 2 2 plus 2 4s are 8 by 1 plus 2 3 comma plus into minus 1 into 3 3 plus into minus 2 ones are 2 by 1 plus 2 3. Okay, so that equal to minus 2 plus 8 minus 2 6 by 3 comma minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 by 3. See here 3 ones are 3 twos are. So that equal to 2 comma 2 by 1 means 2 comma minus 5 by 3. So the coordinates of the point P are 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Now we have to find coordinates of the point Q. Okay, by using section formula. Here Q divides AB in the ratio 2:1. So AQ 2 parts and QB 1 part. So Q divides AB in the ratio 2:1. So Q divides AB, line segment AB, in the ratio 2:1 internally. Then Q of x comma y, that is coordinates of the point Q, is equal to, using section formula. The section formula is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Substitute here. Now x1 y1 x2 y2. Here 2 is to 1, m1 is to m2. The value of m1 is 2 and the value of m2 is 1. So substitute here. The coordinates of the point Q is equal to m1 2 into x2 minus 2 plus m2. The value of m2 is 1 into x1 4 by m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2 2 plus 1 2 plus 1. Next m1 into y2. m1 2 into y2 minus 3 plus m2 1 into y1. The value of y1 is minus 1 by m1 plus m2 2 plus 1. So that equal to plus into minus, minus 2 2s are 2 into 2 4 plus 1 4s are 1 into 4 4 by 2 plus 1 3 comma plus into minus, minus 2 3s are 6 plus into minus, minus 1 into 1 1 by 2 plus 1 3. So that equal to minus 4 plus 4. Both are cancelled. The result is 0. 0 by 3, comma minus 6 minus 1. Minus 6 minus 1. The value is minus 7 by 3. That equal to 0 by 3. 0 by anything. The result is 0. Comma minus 7 by 3. So 0 comma minus 7 by 3. So see here. Find the, what is the problem? Find the coordinates of the point P and Q. Those are the trisectional points. So see here. The coordinates of the point P are 2 comma minus 5 by 3 and the coordinates of the point Q is 0 comma minus 7 by 3. Okay.